Hi, I'm John Major, food technologist and product developer here at Seabreeze. We're currently in our laboratory and we can create custom formulations for your next project. We are SQF certified and have been in business for over 100 years. If you can imagine it, our talented team can help create it. Our core business is helping to create beverage concentrates and syrups. Whether you're looking for a chocolate syrup, pancake syrup, flavored syrup for coffee, cocktail mixer, soda, iced tea, and anything in between, we formulate it, batch it, and package your item. We take great pride in our quality. We lock control every item that enters these batch tanks. We ensure that the correct raw ingredients and correct quantities goes in every batch with our computerized manufacturing system.
Hi, I'm Frank Marinino, Technical Director here at Seabreeze. I've worked here for 45 years, and when we get any batch made in our production plant, what we'll do is have them bring in a sample of that batch, and then we will test it for flavor, color, aroma. We'll do a Brix on it, we'll do pH, we'll do viscosity measurements, and other parameters that we need to ensure that that product is of high quality and safe for all of our customers.
Hi, I'm Paul Marinino, the production manager here at Seabreeze.
After the product has passed inspection in our laboratory, it moves off to our packaging floor. We have 3 packaging lines: the gallon line, where we can pack gallon jugs, half-gallon jugs, and cartridges for juice machines. And then we have our consumer line, where we can pack small bottles ranging from 12 ounce, 15 ounce, 20 ounce, 22 ounce, 24 ounce, 750 ml, and 1 liter bottles. And our last line is our bag-in-the-box line, where we can pack bag-in-the-box cartons in sizes ranging from 2 gallons, 2.5 gallons, or 3 gallon.
After your product has been packed, it will wait in our Northern New Jersey warehouse, ready for your pickup. Feel free to complete our custom packed product questionnaire on our website so that we can discuss your project.